piny Kenya Dorcas Rigathi ojiwo rowere manigi pok mag loso gik mopogore opogore mondo kik lal geno e tijegi. Kanoromo kodgi e nyisruok mar dusruok ma higani, Dorcas nojiwogi ni giti gi pokgi e timo ohala mabiro konyogi. Dorcas nowacho ni pok en gima ber ne oganda jo-Kenya manyalo konyo loso yore mag tich ne rowere ma Kenya gi duoko dhier piny. Nyisruok ma kamano manoting'o jonyisruok mokalo 45 noyuore bende gi jalup gavana ma Taita Taveta Christine Saru.
I had an opportunity to visit India in the past, and I was so excited about the cottage industries, where a lot of work is done just using our hands, and that is so exciting. And yet it got converted to become big industry to assist in development of the Indian people, and we can also learn a lot from that and develop our county.
You have presented your innovativeness and the culture that Kenya and India separately have shared. I'm very proud of you. As I walked around, I could see the creativity, the agility, the beauty of Kenya and India, integration of minds, creativity, and innovation that we displayed out there. And I'm sorry I couldn't just appreciate each piece, but as I stand here, know that you are very appreciated. That work was marvelous.